All right, Steve, how you doing, man? This is Austin. We spoke earlier, and I know you're with Vega Roofing and Construction. So let me kind of show you what I do and how I do it. So this is seabreezeroof.com, right? And they have a pretty awesome website. But here's the thing: Google doesn't care how pretty the website is, right? They only care about the content, the amount of keywords on there, and kind of what you have on the website that Google ranks it specifically. And I'll get into that in just a second. But for example, roof repairs, roof replacement, insurance claims, commercial, roof maintenance, solar panels. They kind of what they do, and then why I choose them. Good to have on there. A couple pictures, right? And you actually click commercial. You can click all these, which is good to have because you can interlink them. And then also you want to have reviews from clients, whether it's Yelp, Google reviews, any type of blog post or guest post you want to have on your website because Google looks at that as, all right, people are satisfied. Let's give them a higher rank. They could have done some better stuff down here. But this is all clickable. So for example, we click roof maintenance, it's going to link back to their page. And that's very important because each different page, they can rank separately. So for example, let's say it was on the top, seabreeze.com/roof/maintenance, right? Or insurance claims or roof repairs. Each of these pages can rank separately from the actual home page itself, right? That means it's getting a lot more traffic. So let me show you kind of what we're looking for. So look, the UR is going to be the strength, okay? They're not that strong. Obviously, they're a 12, but they're doing something right. The DR is going to be the popularity. They're at a 9, okay? They only have 25 backlinks. Historical, they have 65. Referring domains is going to be 11, right? Organic keywords, 51. Organic traffic, 29. So let me kind of touch base with this for you. So backlinks, right? What are backlinks? Backlinks are kind of inbound links, incoming links, or one-way links, right? It's going to be a link from one website to another homepage on Google, and Google and other major search engines obviously consider backlinks to be votes for a specific page. So pages with a higher number of backlinks tend to have a higher organic search in the engine rankings, okay? So that's really important to have higher backlinks, right? And then we have referring domains. Referring domains are websites that target a web page, okay? So for example, a referring domain would be, Home Advisor or Yelp or Angie's List, stuff like that. Those are going to be, or New York Times, or anything that has your referring domain and the actual post itself on their website. That way it links back to your website as well. Keywords. So let's look at their keywords real quick. Keywords are going to be, all right, that's Seabreeze Roofing. So volume is going to be the amount of searches that they search a month. KD is going to be the keyword difficulty, okay? Rating 1 from anywhere 1 to 80. CPC is going to be the pay per click, right? So pay per click represents a visit or an interaction with your company's product or service offering. Every click a PPC campaign represents attention from a person who is searching for something that you have to offer. This attention is what you're buying. As an advertiser, it's important to note these kind of things, okay? So that's the biggest thing when it comes to CPC. So look, $25, $11, $18, $25, that's what they're spending, right? They kind of on their ads, or that keyword's also bringing in that a month, okay? Traffic's going to be the amount of traffic that they're going back and forth. So look, there's really no traffic on this at all. And then a position. So 1, 8. So first page, and then obviously second, going to the third, okay? Anyway, so that kind of explains that. We'll go to the next company. JJ Quality Builders, okay? Now, not the prettiest website, but like I said, Google only cares about keywords and content. So we're looking for anywhere from 1,000 to 1,500 words. That's what they care about. If we can get more, the more the better. Now, these are all clickable, which is good, but they don't interlink. This one actually interlinks, I'm sorry. So look, roofing contractor pulls back up their home page. Right, a little video right there, testimonial, social media. So Facebook, Google, Home Advisor, YouTube, right? So that's kind of good. And you can actually click each of the different links that they work in the different areas. And I'll pull up their stuff. So look, their strength's a lot better, 31. Popularity being 15. Now look at their backlinks, 851. Historical is at 2.4. Referring domains, 102. Organic keywords, 248. Organic traffic, 62. Traffic value, okay? So they were doing a little bit, they were doing better. They started to peak, and then they're kind of starting to go on a little bit of a decline. So they need a little bit of help, all right? And let me go to the very last one. We have Sunshine Roofing. So Sunshine Roofing, they can do a lot better with their website. They have the different services, different layouts, and stuff like that. So obviously I can touch base with you on how we want to actually lay out your page for you, okay? When it comes to Sunshine, let's go ahead and take a peep right here. So 23 is a strength. It's really 2.5 popularity, really bad. But look at this, backlinks. 2K. Historical, look at that, 36K. Referring domains, 61. Historical, 194. Only have 20 organic keywords, organic traffic being 80, and the traffic value being 996, right? And that's a month. So look at this. This really peaked back in 19 and then slowly started to, so whoever's doing their stuff, their the website, or whoever's doing their content or helping them with their backlinks or domains, keyword search, all their research, is not really following up with their client and advising them. So that's kind of what I would do, is build you a website and get it up on Google on the first page, man, within a few months, and that way we can start bringing your business a little bit more traffic, and you can start seeing some more results right there. But with that being said, get back to me at my cell phone number at 225-955-8194, or you can email me back at this email, austinolivier24@gmail.com, and with digital marketing solutions. So I'll be in touch. Hope to hear from you soon, bud.